FastMCP 3 implements a declarative state management pattern through action chaining, where UI components trigger atomic state mutations and user feedback in a single event handler. This artifact demonstrates how client-side actions like setState and showToast can be composed into a sequential pipeline, enabling synchronous state updates without server round trips. We're about to examine a button component that orchestrates 3 discrete operations on click: clearing form fields, resetting result data, and displaying a confirmation notification. The implementation showcases how Prefab's action system allows developers to express complex UI behavior through simple, composable primitives.
From Prefab UI, components import button. From Prefab UI, actions import setState, showToast. Button. Reset. OnClick equals. setState query. setState results. showToast cleared. Variant equals default.
This code demonstrates a declarative UI pattern where state management and user interaction are tightly coupled through component actions. The button component's onClick handler executes multiple state updates and user feedback in sequence, showing how Prefab's action system enables atomic UI operations. The pattern combines 3 key concepts: state mutation via setState, user notification through showToast, and action chaining. By passing a list of actions to onClick, the button performs multiple operations in a single interaction, clearing both the query string and results array, then confirming the action with a toast notification. This approach keeps UI logic co-located with the component while maintaining clean separation of concerns. The design choice to use action lists rather than imperative callbacks provides several advantages. It creates a clear data flow where each action is self-contained and testable, avoids nested callback hell, and makes the UI behavior more declarative. The trade-off is slightly more verbose syntax for simple cases, but this becomes advantageous as complexity grows, particularly when actions need to be reused across components or when additional actions might be inserted into the sequence later. Let's break it down.
From Prefab UI, components import button.
Imports the button component from the Prefab UI components module, making it available for use in the current code context.
From Prefab UI, actions import setState, showToast.
Imports 2 action classes from the Prefab UI module: setState for managing component state and showToast for displaying temporary notifications.
Button. Reset.
Creates a button widget with the label reset. The button is being initialized, but the action handler isn't visible in this segment.
setState query.
Clears the state value associated with the key query by setting it to an empty string. This operation resets or initializes the query state to a blank value, effectively removing any previously stored content for this specific state key.
setState results.
Sets the state variable named results to an empty list. This initializes or resets the results container to be ready for storing subsequent data.
showToast cleared. Variant equals default.
Displays a toast notification with the message cleared using the default visual style. The variant equals default parameter specifies the standard appearance for the notification. This implementation showcases FastMCP 3's declarative state management through action chaining, where UI components execute multiple atomic operations in a single event handler. The button component orchestrates 3 discrete actions on click: clearing the query state, resetting the results array, and displaying a confirmation toast. By passing a list of actions to onClick, the component performs synchronous state updates without server round trips, keeping UI logic co-located while maintaining separation of concerns. The pattern leverages Prefab's action system to compose simple primitives into complex behavior. Each setState action mutates a specific state variable, while showToast provides immediate user feedback. This declarative approach avoids callback nesting and makes actions reusable across components. The trade-off of slightly more verbose syntax becomes advantageous as complexity grows, particularly when actions need to be reused or extended later. The key insight is how action chaining enables atomic UI operations while keeping the codebase maintainable. By expressing behavior as a sequence of self-contained actions, the implementation achieves clarity and testability without sacrificing functionality.
The reset button births silence, toasting the void where queries once whispered their secrets.